to identify that this is the end of the linked list? Very simple. The right pointer or the next pointer of the node is going to have value equal to null, right? So this is the way to reach to the last node of the linked list. So what are the steps? Get the node first because we want to insert a node. Okay, fine. Then if list is empty, then the first node is nothing but the created node is nothing but the first node or the start node. Okay, so start is equal to new node. If list is not empty, that means we have some nodes in our linked list. In that case, what to do? So we are going to create a temporary node, temporary pointer node, temp pointer, which is pointing to the start. Then by using this temp of right is not equal to null, we are going to find the node whose right contains the value null. And we know that in linked list, only last node's right pointer or next pointer contains the null value. Fine. So by following this, we will reach to the end of the linked list. That means we are going to reach to the node which contains whose next pointer or the right pointer contains the null value. Okay. So we are just changing the value of temp. So if my first start is not a start node, whatever we have, its right is not containing the null. That means it is containing address of the next node, right? Null nahi, याचा अर्थ काय आहे त्याच्यामध्ये address of next node आहे, right? If it is null, so in that case what will happen for first case, that means for this first node, temp of right is not equal to null, condition is true because it is not equal to null. So it will go to this statement, it will change the value of temp equal to temp of right. So this new node is going to become, this second node is going to become next temp. Now temp of this is null. So for example, this is null, condition is false. See, it is not equal to null, condition is not equal to null, and now it is equal to null, condition becomes false. So we will go to the next statement, that is this statement. So temp of right, so this is my temp node now, this is my temp node now. Okay, so temp of right, this right is nothing but the new node that we want to add. Okay, so the new node, it is going to point to the now new node. So new node will be added here. Okay, now new node's address will be added here, and new nodes left should point, new nodes left should point the temp variable. So address of temp will be stored here. That's it. So in this way, we are going to get a new node at the end of the linked list. Clear? Fine. So this is what the current situation we have. We have a linked list with 3 nodes. Fine. And our objective is to add a new node at the end of the linked list. So the new node is created. Fine. Now we started with temp equal to start. So our temp is equal to start here. So here it is temp. Okay, which is pointing to the start node. Now we have went to the second statement while temp of right is not null. So see, temp of right is 200. Not null, condition is true. Right equal to not null. Yes, condition is true. So go to the second statement. So we will be on this statement. So temp is equal to now temp arrow right. That means the right node is now going to become next temp. So this is now going to become next temp. Now see, this temp is now moved to second node. So temp is now, second node is now our temporary node. Okay. Now temp of this and its right. Now this is our temp node and its right is 300 is not null. So condition is again true. See here, second T. Observe here, second T for second true. Fine. So again now temp will be shifted to this node, that is third node. So temp is now this node. Okay. Now see, what is temp of right? Null. It is not equal to null. No, it is equal to null. So condition is going to become now false. See here. Okay, so this is now for third node, this condition is false. Everyone is with me? For this third condition, this for third node, this condition is false. Now we will go to the next statement. We will not go to this statement. We will go to the next statement. What next statement? Temp of right. See, this is our temp node now. Temp of right, sorry, temp of right, this temp of right is now going to become new node. So what is new node address? 400. So 400 will be copied now here. See, 400 is here. Fine. Now we will go to the next statement. What next statement is? New node of left. See, this is the left pointer of the new node. So new node's left is equal to temp. What is address of temp? 300. So 300 will be copied here. So see here 300. Sorry, this is the last. This is not previous. Okay, this is the previous. Okay, I drawn it in reverse order. Okay, so 300 is here, and now we are getting like this. So this is the right point, sorry, left pointer, and this is the right pointer. Okay, याला मी उलट draw केलंय, ठीक आहे, सिक्वेन्स बरोबर यावी म्हणून, ठीक आहे. बाकीच्या सगळ्या नोड मध्ये मी काय केलंय, याला लेफ्ट कन्सिडर केलाय, याला राईट कन्सिडर केलाय. प्लीज अंडरस्टँड दिस. ओके, फक्त इथं मी काय केलंय, एक सिक्वेन्स असावी ट्रेन सारखी, डब्ल्यू लिंक लिंक सारखी. अदरवाईज फक्त मला हे काय करावं लागतील, ॲरो या साईडला ड्रॉ करावं लागतील. दॅट्स इट. ओके, मी काय केलंय, यू टर्न सारखं ड्रॉ केलंय. आय होप यू ऑल आर अंडरस्टँडिंग दिस. Okay, so that's why now this is the next or right next pointer of the last node, and we know that next pointer of the last node contains the null value. So this is the null value. Okay, and the previous or left pointer of the last node contains the address of the previous node. So previous node's address is 300, and that 300 is copied here. In this way, we have inserted a new node at the end of the linked list. Is this clear to everyone?